Okay, so now I'll just do an introduction into SoundCloud and how you use that. This is what we'll be using for our audio dictionary. So just from Google, just as I already have, just go SoundCloud. This is available as a mobile phone app as well, if you prefer. Then just click SoundCloud, and then you'll be brought to their homepage. You'll go create an account. I have an account, so I will just click sign in. Okay. Now, so if you're creating you're creating a playlist for after each class, your collection of words. So what you need to do is go to upload over here, click upload, and then you can just choose a file to upload. I always keep this clicked, so make a playlist when multiple files are selected. So if you select multiple files and upload them together, they'll stay into one playlist. This is really handy to keep all classes together. Alternatively, you can upload them separately and then later on add them to a playlist, but that's a bit more time consuming. So you'll just choose a file to upload, like so, and then it will either be in your downloads or in your music. Now, what I usually do is record them on my iPhone. You can use any phone recorder, and then I email them to myself because I like to do it off the computer. So I email it to my own email and then I access it online. I can actually show you now what I do. So I will X this for now. So we'll X this. I will take you to my Gmail. Over here in the new tab, I'll go Gmail. So it's in this email over here. And then you can just see all here. So for example, Togum I take, that was one. So I go and click download there. And you can see that's downloading down here. Then I'll go back to SoundCloud, choose a file to upload, and that way then it will be in my downloads because I've downloaded it from my email. Then go down to T's, Togum I take, okay, and then I would just click open. And you can also record them on your computer as well. I just personally prefer to use my phone. I find the quality is better than my laptop or computer or anything. So then you can just choose a file to upload, open, and then it will upload perfectly. Okay, so I hope that's clear. Thank you. Gurv Magat Slán.